From muddy mountains to flooded streets, the storm causing hundreds of traffic accidents and severe damage, even ripping off the roof of a home. Our team coverage continues with Eyewitness News reporter Bianca Bono live in Los Feliz with a look at the conditions there. Bianca.
David, other than some light rain over the past couple of hours, things have thankfully been quiet in this area. Now, it hasn't just been the rain that's been causing damage across Los Angeles County. Strong winds have been a problem, too. Violent winds whipping through a neighborhood in Boyle Heights.
It blew like if it was a tornado coming through our neighborhood.
Video capturing the dramatic moments a roof blew off of a home, sending debris spiraling through the air. An unwelcome surprise on Christmas morning.
We were inside the house and we were just watching movies, and we hear this big gust of wind like hitting our window, and then all of a sudden we look outside and the roof of the neighbors just flying all over the place.
This scene one of many across the Southland. In Altadena, the storm leaving behind a muddy mess. And parts of the LA River transforming into rushing rapids. First responders were hard at work through the holidays. LAPD responding to more than 350 traffic accidents. City crews receiving more than 600 tree emergencies, including downed trees and fallen branches. And the fire department deploying teams to 3 river rescues.
It ripped this thing off the roof. This is the piece for the roof.
Back in Boyle Heights, where neighbors and family members were thankful nobody was hurt.
I'm really thankful, especially on the holidays.
They came together to clean up, marking a Christmas they will never forget. Have you ever seen anything like this?
No, never. In Boyle Heights, it doesn't happen.
And a declaration of local emergency has been declared in the city of Los Angeles. So as the rain continues to fall, officials are just urging folks to be patient and take your time out on the roads. Reporting live in Los Feliz tonight, Bianca Bono, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.